Hi everybody, my name is Sarah Lean, and in this short video I want to unbox the Jabra Evolve 285 headset that I've got to review and look at. So let's dive in. So let's get into this box. Let's see. So in the packaging, it looks like we've got some information around what software to use, where to get it, and some information. And on the inside of the box, it looks like we've got actually some instructions around how to use the buttons and what they all do. So for the headset itself, we've got it coming in this case, which pretty solid. It would withstand being put in a backpack and protect the headset. It's very similar to the other Jabra Evolve headset case that I've got. So yeah, works pretty well. Looks the same. Good solid case. Let's see what we have inside the case. So we've got the headset here. Let's have a look. If we open it up. Oh, that's a satisfying click. So hopefully you can hear that. But when you place the headset kind of cuffs in place, there's a satisfying click, which you don't get necessarily with the Evolve 85H that I've already got. Got standard here, and this is the bit that's going to be quite exciting. I want to see what this looks like when it's working in calls. The microphone, and it looks like it can swivel, so you've got a lot of direction, and you can move that. So that'll be interesting when I'm on calls, and we'll see how that performs. But it also satisfyingly tucks away, even though there is a bit that slightly sticks out a little. It's pretty good, pretty solid. Very similar in design, weight I think as well, to the Evolve 85H on initial impressions as well. So what else have we got here? So we've got charging cable by the looks of it, connection cable. We've got USB-A and USB-C on there. That's quite good. Headset cable, so 3.5mm, where we can plug that in, which is good again because I use that. This looks like the headphone jack for airplanes and stuff, which I might not be using anytime soon. And we've got the dongle as well. So yeah, standard kind of issue with your Jabra kit when you unbox headsets. Let's see what else is in the box. So open it up. We've got what looks like a docking station or charging station. Pretty solid. That would be quite interesting how that balances. By the looks of it, there's two metal bits here you would connect, and yep, so we've got the contact bits on the headset, so we'll need to figure out best place for putting that and securing that, which that'll be quite handy. USB-A on the bottom of that, so that'll just plug into the laptop. Says here in the box, actually, the 15-minute charge gives me 4 hours of battery, so that sounds quite quick. It sounds quite solid, so quick charging, and it will last you the full day. Looks like it's just a kind of warning manual. Instructions are downloadable. So yeah, that is the headset. So that's the Jabra Evolve 285 headset unboxed. Initial impressions are that it's a nice headset, quality build, doesn't feel too heavy wearing it, and setup was super easy and getting it charged up, etc. So I have a ton of meetings this week to get through, and I'm going to be giving this a proper road test with all of those meetings to compare the sound and the quality of the audio as well. So I will check back in with you in a couple of weeks' time to give you a review of this headset. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe for future content.